What's up guys, my name is Harshal Mavani and in this video we understand the JDK, JRE and the JVM in less than 5 minutes. Well, hopefully. So to begin with, let's talk about the full forms. The JDK stands for the Java Development Kit. The JRE stands for the Java Runtime Environment. And the JVM, as we know by now, stands for the Java Virtual Machine. So what exactly are the functions of each of these? Now, let's break them down one by one. The Java Development Kit. As the name suggests, the Java Development Kit provides you with tools required to create your programs. The Java Runtime Environment provides you with an environment to actually execute your programs. And the JVM, as we know by now, is responsible for the platform independence feature. When I say that the Java Development Kit provides you with tools to create your programs, I mean that it will give you certain binaries or some other resources which are directly or indirectly involved in creating your .class file. So if you want to demonstrate the use of the JDK, that is the Java Development Kit, let's take this small example. So I have a program saved inside the Java programs. It is a simple hello world program saved under the name of look I have a different name .java. So let me try and compile this file. I simply type java c space look I have a different name .java. When I get this error, java c is not recognized as an internal or external command operable program or a batch file. You know what we do in general. We will set the path. So when we set the path, we actually set the path to this particular address, that is C program files, Java, JDK and bin. Inside the bin we have the Java C, which is responsible for compiling our programs. So in response to this, we type out this command, set path is equal to and the actual path. And now if I try compiling it, it works perfectly fine. So what did I just do? I set the path to this particular address. Now if I've set the path to this particular address, Microsoft, the platform, was able to use the Java C command. So now, can I say that the Java C command is important to be used before you run your program? If yes, then let's see who provides the Java C binary. So when I go to the bin folder, it is actually present inside the JDK. So the JDK gives you the Java C binary, and hence we say that the Java Development Kit provides you with tools to create programs. Create programs here is a very vague term, but understand the gist of it. It actually means that it provides you with tools or binaries which you may need to actually get your program started or to start developing your own programs. Besides the Java C binary, we also have many other useful binaries which we may come across in future. Now, talking about the JRE. Many times we have this scenario wherein we are trying to play a normal online game, a flash game if I may, on your browser. The browser gives you a pop-up saying that Java plugin is missing. You go ahead and hit install and install something related to Java. This is the case where you're installing the JRE and not the JDK. You just install the JRE and now you're able to play the game. So the Java runtime environment is responsible for providing you with an environment on which you can deploy your Java programs. Please note, in the second case wherein you had a game on the browser, you didn't need the JDK. You just needed the JRE. The JRE alone is enough to deploy your games or to deploy your Java programs. And the Java Virtual Machine, as we all know, is responsible for platform independence, wherein you can type and compile your files on one particular platform and deploy them on another platform. So that's a brief idea about the JDK, JRE and JVM. Now, how do we find these? How do we get these downloaded for your machines? We simply go to the Java's website, Java Oracle's website, wherein you can download the JDK. Now, how exactly is the hierarchy? So the JDK is the superset. The JDK consists of the JRE, and the JRE internally consists of the JVM. So if you're downloading the JDK, you have downloaded the JRE and JVM by default. And if you're downloading the JRE, you're downloading the JVM as well. So this is the hierarchy that is followed when you're trying to download the JDK or the JRE. That's it for this video. Thank you so much. Keep watching.